Hello everybody, Logan Bear Scout here, and today I wanted to make a simple video just because I haven't posted in a while. I'm not even editing this just because of that reason, and also, it's something simple and I think a lot of people could benefit from something like this. Maybe, I don't know. Anyways, so this is going to be a simple orientation on how to make like a dumb little Lego tree just to elevate, people's builds, and it's simple, so it doesn't take much. So anyways, I would recommend starting off with a small stem of just like brown bricks in a 2x2 formation. I use three brown 2x2 bricks here, just three of them. Then you'll need a foundation for your I'm sorry, I built this ahead of time just to see how it works, and you know now I'm paying the price for it. Okay, so now I recommend just two 4x4, no, not 4x4, two 2x4 bricks in green color. You can do different colors, or you can just do, multiple colors. I recommend doing it multiple colors, just of the green variant, because, it would look nice. Then just build off from that. I recommend going off of that, onwards, like I did this. Then I placed one 2x2 here, not like there. Then I did that there. The point is just to make it look a blocky but kind of realistic looking tree. Like that. Okay, then I did this, and then I just did this. And added that. Then I topped it off with this, and there you have it. Just a nice small little Lego tree to add to any build of yours. Dumb short little video, but hey, I haven't posted in a while, and it's something. Sorry, I will make something a lot better in the future, but I just wanted to do something nice for you. And you know what? This was incredibly simple, and it works well as a little, desk ornament, or whatever you want it to be. Of course, you could do better if you have the bricks, like add like little flowers to whatever it's standing upon and whatnot, but this works. So anyways, that's how to make a simple Lego tree. Hope to see you in the next video.